Hello everyone, my name is Basil Zafar and we are from Team Zero Dag. As you can see, this is our project AssetFlow. Right now on the screen, this is the Slack screen right now and the AssetFlow chat. As you can see, there is an action required overdue request, which can clearly show that there is currently a holding of Lenovo ThinkPad, which was due on 26. And now this is our window, where this is the window of our employee screen. As you can see, the notifications for there is also showing over here as overdue return ThinkPad, right? And now we go again back to our asset flow window, and when I click on return asset, there is a response generated to return asset. Please bring it to the IT desk or contact your asset manager. And now you can request extension and extension request for AF-1112 noted. Your asset manager will be notified. Now I'm going to type another message. I want a new laptop. And this is the response which is generated. As you can see, there are three currently available laptop which I can request asset. There is a green color button at the end of each laptops, and when I click on one of them, it gives me a response that there is currently I am already holding a laptop and I'm requesting for a new one. And now there's another message which I have written, I want a new laptop. And now when I click it, I can confirm request about it, and now the status have been shifted to awaiting manager approval. Now when I click on manager approval, as you can see, this is the manager approval window. Everyone who is a manager is a part of this window and he can approve request. And there is a request has already generated and now I approve it. And as you can see, the asset has been allocated / transferred to Devyas. And when I go to the asset flow, as you can see, the request has been approved and assigned to you. Now this window of test flow is the admin window, and when we click on the allocation part and then we move toward the transfer list, you can see that the Dell XPS has been transferred to Devyas Rasila and his status has been approved. And now as you can see, we are going to move on the manager approval. And now we are going to write a message of to generating an audit, as I'm tagging the asset flow bot right here. Now I typed, hey, I want to start an audit for engineering. Now we have the response, starting an automated Slack audit for engineering department, please wait. And audit cycle 10 started successfully. Now we come back to our admin window, and when we come back to the audit, and right here on the audit window, as you can see, engineering Slack audit has been active and there are 3 auditors right now. Now we go back to our Slack window, and when we click on asset flow, uh, there you can see the message, hi, we are conducting an automated audit for engineering. And as you can see, do you currently have this asset in your possession? Right now this Dell XPS, whether it's in our possession or not, and we click yes, I have it. Now you can see the verified message has been showing, and since I click on the other one, all 3 of them as well, and it will show me the same one. Since we are doing audit, then it will goes to every single users we have and every single items they have, and they conduct the report whether the person still have that thing or not. Now this is a very special feature of our app. And now we move on to the asset flow window right here in the admin window. When we click on the assets, now over here you can see all the assets with all. Now this is a filter of all category laptops, monitors. And now when I click on laptop, you can see this is the laptops currently, and you can see the where they are assigned to, and they are the type of status like allocated, available, and conditions uh, as well as their locations. Now we look at the maintenance part. Over here currently there is a pending maintenance of MacBook Air, and in progress there is a Sony Alpha which is currently in progress. Now when I click on the MacBook Air, you can see the details about it in details, like you get the issue description and the timeline when this request has been raised. Over here when I click on approve request, right now when I click on OK, it will approve this request and it will move to in progress in approved. And when it is ready, it will move to in progress when the progress one has been resolved. Now you see the notification tab on the side, and over there you can see transfer request for Dell XPS normal priority. I can click mark or read on it.